Corporation today supposed to file a report, Lords.
Where is your records?
That record I have brought, Malad. Photocopy of record, Malad. What we have found, Malad, in 2020, Malad.
Don't give me the history. I want to know whether it is coming under RERA or not.
Malad, RERA clearance is required at the time of Malad obtaining completion certificate. Since it's about 200.
What are you talking about?
That is Malad, what we follow, Malad.
Say that.
Because Malad,
Don't expose yourself, please. Don't expose yourself too much.
Let him take instructions and come back. My
No,
lord.
no,
What is he saying has disastrous consequences.
Mr. Biswas, sit with your authorities that whether it is coming under. I don't know whether Mr. Mukherjee's client is interested to do business or interested to fight over in the court. Because this situation I cannot allow.
Also, last occasion I produced the law that in respect of this construction is
8 units. You are on 8 units.
Every shop, every unit is a separate
there is
flat.
no requirement of RERA.
He says so.
So this is not a
He
subject
says
matter
so.
of suit
Mr.
also.
Mukherjee, Mr. Mukherjee, it is not subject matter when you are offering, because you are obliged to offer to the tenants substituted place after construction. You are a person who will be getting, he will not be satisfied whether the construction is legal or illegal.
Yes, so a sanction plan is there.
Not only
That is a
sanction,
separate issue. Also, they can.
you are not possibly, you are in a mood to settle the issue. Otherwise, you
Obviously.
cannot move.
Now, let's say one thing. Let's say last
Mr.
occasion.
Corporation, you are the cause of everything. What steps you are taking these kind of things? What steps you are taking?
Malad, we have given 411 one notice requiring them to demolish. Malad, thereafter we didn't do anything. Malad. It's for them.
Why? Under 412A, you are obliged to.
Malad,
Mr.
it's a notice for self demolition. Malad, we have given it. Malad, they continue
Now
to.
what are you doing? Why
did
are you
it
shutting your eyes? The tenants are evicted. What is the purpose? 412A. What is the?
At the time of Malad submission,
See, who is
all are in
putting
record,
this
Malad.
thing?
I'm making my submission from record. Malad, can you listen? Malad, at the time of Malad submission of Malad sanction plan, they have given no objection of 10 tenants. Malad, during a hearing, Malad, we have found 3 of the tenants are Malad, raising objection. Then Malad, we cancel the first sanction plan. Subsequently, they have.
They didn't cancel the plans. Cancel. High Court, this honorable court quashed the plan on the ground of fraud. What is he submitting?
Post you yourself with proper fact. Now, what is the court is requiring? Great, whatever you have done, it is a new sanction plan.
New sanction.
It's a new sanction.
Malad, they have submitted this.
Are
new
you not
sanction plan.
listening? Is it a new sanction plan?
Right.
Have you obtained no objection from other tenants?
Your Lordship, can
Have you complied with the direction of Justice Sarkar?
Your Lordship kindly sees this is the
I will enforce the personal presence of your Montri and everyone. Please don't push me into that area. Who is pulling the string? You have given a dangerous building notice. Very well, 412. And you are totally blind towards 412A. Read out 12A. What is your obligation?
Malad kindly sees Malad. Initially, they
You stop it. It is your obligation. You ask the tenant to come before you. Hear out. What are the objections? You have a statutory obligation to see the language. Why in 2022 to cover up these situations? 412A was introduced that the tenant's possession must be protected. It is your obligation, statutory obligation. The tenants are crying, shouting. You are saying, I have given. Today, you will paste a dangerous building notice to any building, and the person who are interested to make money will demolish it.
In the entire exercise, Malad.
You stop it.
Malad.
I am not in time to hear it, but come with the records. I want to see the original records. Bring the original records.
Oblige.
And your Lordship then sees the notification. Malad, this notification says, Malad, applicability is RERA is required in respect of KMC jurisdiction, Malad, when it's above 200 square meter.
Oh, he's not.
Malad, whether it's 200.
Mr. Biswas, It appears you are very much interested to protect this promoter using the corporation. What is the interest? What is the company's name?
Tech developers.
Query from your
State
lordship.
developers.
Since it was a query from your lordship, my lord, I must, my lord,
Sir, bring all original records.
In that
Sir,
area,
last-
there are 6 buildings.
Sir, last
Which they have
occasion-
touched 6 buildings in that area in central Calcutta are suffering under them. Others, tenants are not moneyed enough to approach the honorable court.
Mr. Bishas, bring your all original records and what the logic. RERA is applicable regarding not only area, unit wise.
Yes.
Two factors are there. Now, forget about that. Why this court is inquiring? Because they are negotiating whether the tenants, displaced tenants can be given effect to. 12A says even he has to accommodate the existing tenants for which he will be getting the additional floor. Huh?
Introduction of 12A, my lord, is, my lord, subsequent to.
Maybe the building has not yet been demolished. Building has not yet been fully demolished. Don't say 12A is not applicable. That means your intention is very bad.
No,
What do you want?
We have all bona fide, my lord, we will pause another.
You are an authority. Kolkata Municipal is not for the Sheikh promoters only.
Lordship, last occasion, Lordship,
Mr.
I sit
Mukherjee,
with the Lordship. I mean,
Sit and find out a way.
Lordship, nobody turned down.
No.
Nobody.
Absolutely
Lordship,
not.
neither
They are-
Lordship
they are-
nor
my lord,
advocate,
this is the-
nothing.
my lord, this is the
And
whole
Lordship,
trouble, kindly.
See petitioner.
Hold
Mr.
up.
Mukherjee,
Lordship,
Mr.
kindly
Mukherjee,
hear me. Lordship.
this can be breached out. This can be breached out. I am appointing an advocate of this court as a mediator between these two.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yes.
No problem?
Yes.
Mr. Parthabodim Rai, come forward.
Hmm.
But both of you has to pay to the special officer I will be appointing.
Yes.
Without remuneration of this business game, you will not be there.
No, definitely.
And Lordship, only thing, the petitioner is claiming their third party right because other tenants also.
Right,
He's
there are-
facing the
Are you
claim
saying
that
that?
other
Tenants,
tenants.
there are 6
See,
tenants, they all wanted to see.
Mr. Mukherjee, who are before me, you are required to take out the issue before the special officer.
Yes. Obliged.
So the
Resolve the
petitioner is raising the voice on behalf of the last.
Not on behalf of anyone.
tenants.
I have
Present
5,
in the
I
spot.
have 5 rooms.
But see, Mr. Mukherjee, Mr. Roy will be there. You place your papers and your proposals.
Yes.
You place your papers and
Yes.
proposals.
Yes.
You want to do business, do business. Don't dig anything which will go somewhere you don't know. What is the issue?
Not. So we are
You are a
trying to
businessman.
resolve this
You are a
problem.
businessman. You have come here to do business. The tenants are there. Whenever you cannot file a suit for eviction, get vacated.
Get a
then
degree, yes. Get a degree, evict.
Don't do that. Tenants are exposed by rent laws. Everyone is not very
So,
comfortable
Lordship,
to appear a
so
tenant.
far, I sit one day, Lordship, I sit one day, Lordship, so far the version of the
Be
tenants.
reasonable, Mr. Banerjee,
No.
you must be reasonable.
I am reasonable. I am reasonable, but he has to do one thing. You know, the promoter has
version of
only
the
one thing.
tenants is-
Only one thing. Only one thing.
Start
Please,
now.
may I? The version of the tenancy is, I am going to talk to you about only your tenancy and no other tenancy. Other tenants are wanting to come in and sit in a comprehensive negotiation. Now, when Mr. Roy comes in, subject to your lordship's appointment, all tenants will sit.
No, why all tenants?
Why
My
not?
landed friend can
Why?
say for all
Their
tenants.
suits are pending. Their divisional
Guy-
applications are coming up.
Here I have objections.
I am telling you, lordship.
Let them come, then I will consider.
Yes.
Let,
No, when they will come.
Fair.
they-
let them
Very
come, then I will
Very
consider.
well. Very
And the Ashun.
So kindly restrict this issue that this
First of all,
settlement only in respect of
well.
three.
He has
three
5
petition-
rooms to
petition
give
of-
us.
whoever before me, Mr. Mukherjee.
Yes.
He doesn't have 5
not
rooms
the-
in the
I
plan.
am not going to, I have heard it, I have forgotten.
Yes.
Only good. The interim order passed in this, how many matters? All of it in these matters are extended, for
Common order, my lord.
is extended till the end of the month of